In this video, I'm going to show you how to add photo in Canva resume. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now you need to be logged into Canva, right? Your Canva account. So I'm going to be dropping the important links in this video description. So the very first thing you need to do, you need to click on this template, right? Once I've clicked on it, you'll be displayed with some options right here. So once we'll wait for it to load, right? So you can see there are some options displayed here. So we want to work on the resumes, right? I'll click on the resume, wait for it to load. So I can come on here and pick any resume of my choice. Let's say I can pick let me say, okay, I want to pick this. Yeah, so you click on this, customize this template, wait for it to open. Once it has opened right here, yeah, so we want to add our photo to this, right? So you click on this, right? Let it go. So click on this upload. So I previously uploaded our brand image to this before, right? So you come on here, resize it, leave it. Yeah, you can see everything is perfect right now. So if I zoom this, all you have to do right here is to come on here and work on this, right? You can come on here and work on this. So but because this is basically a tutorial video on how you can add photo, I'm not gonna do a whole lot of things, right? So this is basically how you can add photo in Canva resume. So once you're done, you can just come on here, you can click, you can save it, right? You can come on here and save this if you want. You can see this is the save, right? So this is basically how you can add photo in Canva resume. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.